Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to turn any of your videos into an anime style masterpiece using media.io. Let's go to media.io first. So this is the tool that we are going to use today to convert our video into an anime style video. So whether you are looking to create an animated version of your favorite video or just experimenting with different styles, media.io makes it easy and fun. So let's get started. So first you have to go and search media.io. Obviously you have to come on this website media.io, and here you have to go to, sorry, just a second. Yeah. So in media.io you can try different things. So here you have to click on get started free, and on the left hand side you can see that there are multiple options are given. So here you have to go to the AI tools. So in AI tools, there are multiple AI tools available, like long video to short video. So if you have any long video, you can convert it into a short video. There is also a new uh, tool that they have added is AI music generator. Then they have video enhancer, they have image enhancer, they have watermark remover, etc. etc. So, but what today we are looking for, we are looking to convert our video into an anime video. So here you have to go, you have to come down, then you see there's an option of video cartoonizer. You have to go there, you have to click on that, and there are multiple style options available which you can choose, like K-pop, cyberpunk, anime, fantasy. So you can choose any of these options. So we'll go with the anime. Now it's the time to import our video here. So we have to add our video from our desktop. So we will add one video. Now our video, we have added our video. Now here you can again choose which options you are looking for. If you want to change from anime to K-pop or cyberpunk, you can choose any option over here, but we are going with the anime only. So yeah, now we just have to click on confirm to convert. Yeah. So the it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to convert this video. Okay, and once the video get convert, they will also email you. So there's a one video which I already converted. We can see it over here. Let's see that video. So this is the original video, and this is the output which they gave. Okay, let's go back. So it will take around some times to convert this video. So our video got converted, and we can see the video over here. Just click on the view video. You can see the original video that we have added, and you can see the output. The video is converted into the anime. Now if you want to download the anime version of this video, you just have to simply click on this download option. Now the download is started, it's got downloaded. You can see the downloaded file as well over here. And there you have it. Converting videos into anime with media.io is simple and fun, as we just tried it out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let me know in the comment section what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.